Hi, it's Mandy, and today I'm going to try to do the tiny face trend. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing a turtleneck in 110 degree weather, that is why, because you can easily go like this. Watch. Make sure to subscribe, put the post notification bell on. I will be uploading 1 to 3 times per week. I'm sure you've all seen the tiny face challenge going around, and I'm gonna try to attempt it. And it's either gonna go very well or very wrong. So either way, hopefully it's funny. Let's watch. So what I'm gonna try to do first is outline the tiny nose on top of my nose and the lips on my nose. Because when I go like this, it should look like a face. I'm gonna just try using like a brownish tan pencil. That way if I mess up, I can erase. So I'm sharpening it just so it's extra sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna use some pictures to guide me. So I'm gonna try just give myself an outline of a bottom lip. And outline the top. I don't know if that really works, but I guess we'll see. Maybe we should do it outwards to make it more like lips. You can't even see anything, but I'm trying to outline it. I want the normal nose to be like here. Ooh. Up like that. Oh, I don't know if that looks good. I'm gonna try to take like an eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna try to shade it to look like a nose. Gonna see how this works. Let's see. Ooh. How do I feel about this? Well, maybe I want some blending brushes. Hold on. Alright, so I have a blending brush, 30, sorry. We'll see. And just blend it out a little bit. Ooh. Blend it out a little bit. I'm not flipping you off. You can see me. I'm gonna just keep trying to put the brown on. Connect it to make it look better. I mean, like, more natural. It's gonna take a little. Oh, look at my palette. Yes. It's probably expired, but. Ugh, that looks bad. Oh well. Trying to contour my nose. Tiny bridge. Yes. Imagine I just go out looking like this. Hello. Like my nose contour. I definitely got a nose job, so don't even try and lie. Say it's just contour, because obviously it's a nose job. Alright. Then I want to try to do like the nostrils. Do a nostril here. Do a nostril here. So those are my little nostrils. Ooh. More. We just shouldn't blow actually. I never learned anything. I didn't learn anything. Try to take a softer brown to try to contour. Do this right. Again, don't blow. He. I don't know what I'm doing, so sorry if you do. I don't even think that looks right. Does that look like a nose? Does that look like a little nose? A little lighter in the middle. Try to contour a little nose. Make it a little buttony. I don't know. Does that look like a nose? Just let me look. I mean, it's not the best. I can like do very elaborate SFX looks, but like when it comes to putting a little nose on my nose, I think I'm using powdery stuff too, which doesn't help. Okay, we're just gonna call that a nose. I don't know. Wish me luck. I'm gonna take some lipstick and a little brush. Uh-oh, should have washed that, because now my lipstick's gonna have black stuff on it. Hello, my nose outline. Bigger than I thought I would, but just gonna go in and swipe it like this. It'll be like we're smiling. Maybe I should have done it like my nails. Yeah, probably. I don't. What is going on? What I did. be a part of my blush, I guess. Does that look like a lip? I don't know. I'm putting lipstick on my nose. Something I never thought I'd do in my life, but so first for everything. Looks like in my nostrils. I think my lip's too big. Does that even look like a mouth or not? Does that look like a mouth? Okay, well, we're just gonna go with it and see if it looks like a mouth or if I look like a clown. All right, do I look? Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment. Was this a hit or a hate? Does this look like a mouth or do I just look crazy? Also, subscribe, like. What did I say that already? Turn the bell notification on. Oh my gosh, I get lipstick all over the universe. Okay, update, like it was getting red like all over my turtleneck and like leaking, so I removed some things, but like I got red right here, so it looks like I got a bloody nose. But yeah. Oh, I think I could have done better on the mouth, but I think the nose turned out okay. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, push the notification bell, leave a comment, tell me if it's a hit or a hate. Have you tried the tiny face challenge? You should. If you haven't, it's fun, even though I kind of failed. Bye. Oh, I am literally a mess. All right. Yeah, today I'm doing the, I almost said turtleneck challenge. Why is it not in focus? Hey, cause pocos. Everybody focus.